Hi, my name is Paige. I'm at Prime Care, and today we're at the supermarket. And today we're getting fruits and vegetables, and our word of the day was garden, and we're learning about what God created and the fruits and vegetables He made.
Hello, you guys. My name is Latoya. I am part of the Prime Care Summer Lead, and I'm here with 3 to 7-year-old group. And we are here. We are learning about gardening and about nutrition and health for this week. So we are exploring different fruits and vegetables that we see that the farmers grow. And now the kids are seeing them coming into the markets, and they are able to purchase things. And we also taught them that this is God's creation. These are part of God's creation, and it's really, really nourishing for everyone. So they are learning. It's beautiful.
So, boys and girls, what do we talk about this morning? What's our favorite word today? Garden, good. And what are some things we can find in the garden?
Apples.
Apples.
Watermelon.
Tomatoes. Okay, so let's see what we can find today at the Forest Park Farmers Market.
So I don't know what's fully cured, but so far I'm going to get dragon fruit and mango.
Have to say to Jessica?